there, Amanda Pierce here today. I wanted to give you a quick demo on how to buff up your encaustic piece. Now this piece was actually from my series called My DNA as of Earth and Sky, and it's a secret totem, and it's 20 by 20. It's very wabi-sabi. It's got some threads, and that's my little totem. Anyways, the whole thing is very monochromatic, but at the same time, over time, your encaustic piece will lose its shine. And so the way to bring back its luster is there's a couple things you can use, and I'm just going to show you. You can either use just a plain old nylon to give your encaustic piece a buff, or a shop towel. But recently, believe it or not, one thing I found that works really good is our face masks, believe it or not. Okay, so here we go. So like I said, once your encaustic piece, inevitably it will happen, it will lose its luster. So take your buff, whatever you have, I'm going to use the mask, and just in a circular motion, really all it is right now, it's TLC and a little bit of elbow grease and circular motion. My arms hurt, but I got to tell you, the more you just give it your TLC and attention, the more your piece is really going to buff up. So let's just take a look at this. One of the things I love most about encaustics is the way that the light does bounce off the medium. So I'm just going to lift it so you can see. Oh, there it is. There it is. That's what you're looking for, that beautiful shine in your encaustic piece. Isn't that lovely? Just want to eat it, but don't do that.